These beautiful, beautiful pods right here. This is the purple Gator Jigsaw. Oh, y'all know me and my tree, man. Y'all know me and my tree. If you don't, that's my tree. Purple Gator Jigsaw. So Rocco Maltese creation, at least the Gator Jigsaw. It's an unconfirmed, from what I understand, cross between a mustard 7 pot and a apocalypse scorpion. Unconfirmed. And this is the purple variant of the Gator Jigsaw. So these pods were given to me by Gary Smith, Lone Star Mastiff Farms. Thank you, Gary, as always. And these are, I mean, this is late season, but these are monster peppers. This is a normal size purple Gator Jigsaws. They're big. They're dense. Should be a good quality burn today. So it's an Italian creation, the Gator Jigsaw by Rocco Maltese. Guys created some great fucking pods. Little acid reflux. There ain't nothing to it but to do it. Mill to a mill 5. You know, somewhere in there. It's hot. Some beautiful, beautiful peppers. Beautiful coloration to it, that purplish cherry. It's like a dark cherry. It's cold out here. A little sweet, a little fruity. I'm liking it. I've reviewed this pod before, but they're so beautiful not to do it again. You know, I mean, and the taste is phenomenal. Me and that fucking tree go way back. That's why it's out here in the wind. It's a reason. Nope, here it comes. There's one for the birds. Hey, buddy. Good to see ya. What a video. Ooh, yeah, heat's building. I need a burp. Yeah. Guess we're down here for the remainder. You ever want to know about the tree? Let me know. I'll tell you the story. Nothing crazy, but it's got a purpose now. If you've watched any of my videos, you've seen the tree, many of videos, and you've seen it follow me like that. Good amount of times. Not a lot, but just the right amount. Ugh, I feel like I need a burp. What's going on here? Come on. Ooh, there it is. I can feel it all right in here. Guys, if you've never had one of these, you like super hots, this is a great variety. They're beautiful, great flavor, high burn. The thing is, the tree always comes this way. It never falls that way. It's never once fallen that way. Never once, see? Fuck's sake. And I know it was going to happen because it's windy out here and I didn't secure it. I'm going to get through this. Ooh, there's a lot of oil up in that one. I don't think you'll be able to see it, but... It's a decently thick-walled pod for a super hot as well, which I enjoy. Got a good texture, good crunch. It's got a good body to it. My slipper fell off. It's starting to get real hot now. Ooh. Saturated in oil. For the birds. Ooh wee. Ah, woo. We're fucking burning now. Whew. I feel it in the stomach. Just the top just kind of sitting there. Good roof of the mouth burn. Good overall full mouth burn. Not much back here. Still climbing, still building a little bit. Can feel this ear getting a little tingly, if you will. Those are hot. I mean, that second one really picked up the overall burn. It's a great burn though. Those are big pods. I ate one of those, I think from the same grower. It was from the same grower, Lone Star Mastiffs. I looked earlier today. It was July 1st, I think, when I did a review on that pod. And the pepper I had, I have a picture of it. I still have the video of it. About as hot as these are this late in a 2023 grow season. Again, should have just left the tree today. And looking back on that picture, these two pods today were about the same size as that one. And it's hard to always remember that far back, especially when I've eaten so many other peppers in between July and now January. But they feel just about the same heat level. Now, I remember back in July eating one of those ripped me up about as good as these two are doing. But that's just because my tolerance is raised up since July. Like, quite a bit. Oh, there we go, again. Thank you, buddy. Good to see you. Anyways. Phenomenal pepper. It's beautiful. Again, it's the flavor profile on those are just fruity up front, with just a tad bit of sweetness, a little peppery. And when I say peppery, I'm referring to what like a bell pepper tastes like. What, not quite earthy, just peppery. Very good burn, enjoyable, high level, high heat burn. Those are definitely every bit of a super hot burn profile. Those are probably, those are a mil plus. I'd say 1.2, 1.3, somewhere in there, I don't know, but they're good. I think they're hotter than the Gator Jigsaw. Maybe not. I've eaten quite a few Gator Jigsaws too. Those are one of my favorite pods. These are up there as well though. It's an excellent pepper. It hits all aspects. The shape, you know, it had some nice ridging on it, some nice pimples and dimples. Kind of coming to a little bit of a tail, but more of a ghost pepperish tail than a 7-Pop Primo tail or something like that. More of just coming to like a diamond, like a point. But again, beautiful color. I think the purple Gator Jigsaws start out almost black and ripen. You know, those might not be fully ripened, because there was still a good amount of super dark blackish coloring on them, but they had that orangish, purplish look to them, what they fully ripened to as well. So I love peppers like that with that kind of translucent, vibrant, holographic kind of look to them, like those had. Multi-dimensional, multicolor. And then when you get a flavor profile like that and a high level burn like that, fuck, you can't beat it. I mean, it's just, those would be great for a sauce. Number one, for the color. Number two, for the flavor of them. Number three, for they do pack a nice heat. Ugh, that's gross. Ugh. Well, I'm gonna kill it. I think it's a solid little 5-minute afterburn. Those are good peppers. Well done growing those, Gary. Especially for a box I got the first week of January. I've had those pods now, and I've had that box now for a week and a half, something. All right, y'all. Everybody, I appreciate everybody joining in, burning with me. It's been a lot of fun. Probably be back with more pepper reviews. I got a few more to do, and then that box will be killed, and then that might be the last of it until maybe March, April. So we'll see. And then I got a couple tincture burns I want to do coming up. Those will be wicked. They're going to be challenging. And then probably get back into doing some more League of Fire challenges. Get some points going. I haven't really done a whole lot for League of Fire this year, so that'll be coming. Anyways, much love, everybody. Thanks for burning with me. I appreciate all of you. Oh, I didn't kill it.